Hey everybody, Mark Stiles of Stiles Law down here at Studio B, answering yet another viewer's question. Now that we are in the season of autumn, we have a little bit more yard work to do, and this viewer asked, Mark, I'm selling my house, and I've got a lot of things going on, a lot of moving pieces, and I really don't have time for yard work. Do I need to rake my leaves? You know, that's a great question, but here's my lawyer answer. It depends. Now, folks, obviously we're speaking about Massachusetts law, but it's contract law. What did you agree to do? In your contract, there's provisions such as the Broom-Clean provision, how you want to leave your home and how the buyer expects to accept that home. In fact, I think, Thomas, we did a video on that, right? In that contract, it will specifically state. So now you're a buyer thinking, Mark, can I make them do a fall cleanup before we move in? Well, first of all, I would probably change your wording from make to ask because everything's negotiable. Ask. Maybe they'll be happy to do that to make you happy as a buyer. But back to that seller. What would you do? What would you want when you're buying your home? It's the golden rule. Folks, I hope you appreciate this content. If you did, please share with everyone and anyone. And look for more videos like this on YouTube at Stiles Law. Thank you and be well.